Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making easy double chocolate chip brownies. And it sounds like a good recipe. I'm always on the search for a brownie recipe that I like, as well as I like the brownie mix that you buy in the store. So I'm hoping this will be it. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to spray my 9x13 baking dish. Now in a large heavy-duty saucepan, you want to melt your pieces of butter and 1 cup of the chocolate chips over medium-low heat until it's smooth. You don't want to really get it hot, you just want it smooth. Now remove your chocolate and butter mixture from the heat, and you want to add in your 3 eggs, and I beat the eggs first. The recipe didn't say anything about tempering it, and I don't think the chocolate was hot enough, but I did drip a little bit of the chocolate into the eggs just to be on the safe side. But I did not have any problem with scrambling or anything, and you want to mix that in really well. Now you want to add your flour, your sugar, your vanilla, and your baking soda, and you want to stir it in till it's all mixed. You don't want to overmix your brownies, but you want everything incorporated. Now you want to stir in the rest of your chocolate chips and your nuts, and then you want to spread it in your prepared 9x13 inch baking dish. You want to bake for about 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out slightly sticky. Alright, let's give these easy double chocolate chip brownies a try. It looks really good. And it tastes really good. So far, I think this is my favorite homemade brownie. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I sure do appreciate y'all, and y'all have a great day. And until next time, bye y'all.